Today we are at 18 Cranberry Drive, Saturday, April 13th from 11 until 1. This is a gorgeous home that is move-in ready. There's not a thing for you to do here, but walk right in and relax. Ceramic tile entranceway when you walk in. We also have a great sized coat closet for your coats, jackets, and shoes. The living room is an excellent size. The spare room off of the living room with the French doors is perfect for an office or a den. It's bright. You have a ceiling fan in there and a closet. You could easily use that as a third bedroom if you wanted to close that off entirely. The home has excellent airflow. When you walk in the front door, you can look right through the kitchen into the sunroom and out the back of the home. Sunroom is an excellent size. It's oversized, so it's much larger than standard sunroom. We also have a gas stove in here as well. That's natural gas. Deck off the back of the home, and the home does back up to the woods. Beautiful. The kitchen has great cabinet space, great counter space. We have tons of recessed lighting. They're all on dimmers. We have a utility laundry room down the end of the home here. We have a complete sink, washer, dryer, extra cabinets for storage. This room has 3 extra spaces as well. There's 2 storage closets and a space for your coats. This home is done in pleasing neutral colors. All bedrooms have ceiling fans. Master bathroom has a walk-in shower with a light overhead as well. Both bathrooms have ceramic tile flooring. We have a huge walk-in closet in the master as well. Guest bathroom, beautiful custom stained glass window. Gorgeous guest bedroom. Rooms are perfectly sized. And this is a quick look at 18 Cranberry Drive. Again, we're here today until 1 o'clock. Please do yourself the favor of stopping by and taking a quick look at this home. It is absolutely lovely. Again, not a thing for you to do. Move right in and enjoy. Visit us online at jensencommunities.com. Call us at 609-758-7180. Email us at drsales@jensencommunities.com. And visit us on Facebook if you haven't already at facebook.com/jensensdeeprun. Thanks so much for watching our video, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.